Assalamu alaikum. So today's recipe is chicken cheese steak. All you have to take is 3 eggs, half cup maida and half cup corn flour, and mix the batter well. Add 2 tablespoons of water in it and 1 tablespoon of salt. Your batter is ready. Now grease the pan and make them in round shape. From here the next step starts. For this you have to take half breast, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Shred the boiled chicken and add chilies, coriander. Now add salt, black pepper, chili flakes and oregano. Mix it well and it's ready. Now the second step is to make white sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan and 3 tablespoons of maida and 1 cup of milk, 1 cube of chicken stock, and your white sauce is ready. You have to add mozzarella and cheddar cheese to make it more tasty. Now the game begins. Make layers like this and top it with cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese, olives, jalapeno, whatever you like. Your chicken cheese steak